How does retinol work? How long does it take to work? And what strength of retinol do you need? Welcome back to the FemHealth channel, a medical education channel by doctors for you. Retinol is one of the most popular ingredients in skincare, and it's easy to see why. This vitamin A-based compound is known for fighting signs of aging, smoothing the skin, and improving skin tone. But how does it actually work? Let's take a closer look. Retinol is a form of vitamin A that gets converted in the skin into its active form called retinoic acid. Once it becomes retinoic acid, it attaches to special parts of skin cells called receptors. These special receptors help control how skin cells grow, repair, and renew. This process triggers many good changes in the skin. Retinol helps the skin make new cells faster, thickens the outer layer of skin, and boosts the production of collagen, a protein that keeps skin firm and smooth. It also helps improve skin tone, fade dark spots, and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Over time, skin looks fresher, firmer, and more even. You won't see results right away. Small changes inside the skin start within a few days or weeks. Most people begin to notice clearer, smoother skin in about 4 to 8 weeks. Bigger improvements, like fewer wrinkles and better skin texture, usually happen after 8 to 12 weeks. If you keep using retinol for several months or up to a year, the benefits can continue to build. When picking a retinol product, it's important to look at the concentration. Most over-the-counter creams and serums contain between 0.1% and 1.0% retinol. Higher percentages may work faster, but are more likely to cause irritation, such as redness, peeling, or dryness. If you're just starting out, it's best to use a lower dose between 0.1% and 0.3% to let your skin adjust slowly. These lower strengths still work well and are easier on the skin. In short, retinol helps your skin by speeding up cell renewal, boosting collagen, and improving tone and texture. Even though it takes time to see full results, using retinol regularly can lead to smoother, younger-looking skin. That's why it remains one of the most trusted ingredients in skincare today.